Forget every avocado salad you've ever known. This sweet and tangy combo is gonna steal the show. Insanely delicious, you have to try this. Let's start with our green base by taking some freshly washed lettuce and giving it a good chop. Peel 1 grapefruit and chop them into juicy cubes. This will give us the perfect amount of tartness. Add 1 sliced avocado to give the salad a rich, creamy texture. Chop up 2 scallions for a gentle kick and gorgeous color. Bring it all together in your bowl. Just look at this stunning combination of colors. For an incredible crunch and sweetness, sprinkle on some dried cranberries and chopped toasted pecans. Now for the dressing. 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 teaspoons of honey or date honey to balance those flavors. Season with salt and pepper, seal it up, and shake well until the dressing comes together. Right before serving, pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together. Serve immediately. You have to try this.